Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Perry Trade. So today is Wednesday, March 26th, trading session. Right now I'm trading the NASDAQ. So yesterday the market, there was a huge sell-off. Tech companies did bad. So today we're waiting on the Fed, the chairman of the Fed to talk, Mr. Powell, to talk about the economy and I guess interest rates. So looks like we're in a bit of uptrend here. Let me go into the market real quick and show you. Looks like the Dow's up 19 and the NASDAQ is up 47. So I'm thinking the market may be going in a upward direction this morning. So we'll see what will happen, what will be the result of the Mr. Powell's I guess he has a Senate hearing in front of committee, I guess, to speak about the economy. So we'll see how the market does after he speaks. So we're just waiting. As far as my chart is concerned, I have my indicators, my condition. I have one condition. I'm out of the squeeze. Also, this should be sloping downwards, and this is sloping up. And the double stochastic here, people use it so that when it goes into overbought, people usually get ready for a sell condition. But I use it mainly when it is an overbought. For me, that means that I should be buying instead of selling. So I use it differently. It helps me with it complements my trading strategy. So I mainly use it to exit the trade when it slopes down. That means I exit the trade. I also have an ATR trail stop that helps me get out of the trade as well. But I use this to get out of the trade early. So right now, it appears to be going in upward. It looks like it's losing a little bit of momentum. That doesn't always mean that right here. So if this wasn't pointing up, sloping up, then I probably will have gotten into the trade. But since it's early, so I'm just gonna wait after maybe 9:30 when the market's open and see where price goes. So it's still too early. You don't want to. Sometimes there's news early in the morning that will impact the price, whether it goes up or down. So I'm just gonna wait and see. Look at the market, read some news, and check. So I'll come back and give you another update. Bye. So just another update. So as you can see, price did pull back. Patience is virtue. So I didn't want to get in, and then the price pulled back. So you see the market is still up. So more than likely, price is probably going to just continue going up, maybe go up and down, up and down. So my indicator is still out of the squeeze. Momentum kind of is slowing down. This is sloping up. It should be sloping down. That gives me an indication, pair pulse, that the trend is strong. Here, it looks like it's starting to flatten out, but this should be sloping up. So I went ahead and opened a position, a long position, because on my indicators, all my conditions were all met. Blue, green. This is sloping down. It's touching the line, but it's sloping up, and then definitely the stochastic is above the overbought zone, and it is flat. So I'm waiting for my first take profit, which is 100 tick, to be reached, and then my second, the second contract will move to break even. So I believe I had mentioned in my previous video, I have this ATM strategy right here that works great. Basically, you can toggle on and off switch for long and short. So in this case, if you want to take long only, you just click on long, so it'll only take long only and short. You have break even buttons here. You also have, it's not shown here, but you can also trail your stop according to ATR, parabolic star, or the super trend. You can buy high, means that it won't enter at market, but it'll enter a buy limit, you know, at whatever offset you want. And also too, we have the reverse engulfing bar. This ATM strategy will also automatically enter a trade when there's a reverse bar, and also an engulfing bar. So if you'd like more information on this ATM strategy, I believe it is free. Please subscribe and then send me an email, and I will send you a link to where you can download this ATM strategy. Alright, so currently what I just did was I marked resistance and support level. So today this was the high, and the low actually was here today. This was yesterday's high, low. This is today's low right here. So I'm just going to draw support and resistance level. So in addition, if you have a strategy, it is important to understand price action, market structure. So a little bit of that combined with technical and fundamental analysis does help. Technical analysis basically just using indicators, and fundamental analysis just basically looking at the market, economic conditions. You know, if you're trading, you know, stocks, then of course you're looking at the company's financials. Just put up the chart. So again, the market looks like it's going higher. So I do look at the market a lot. This just tells me, give me a good indication of where price is heading. So we're gonna see if price respects this resistance line. Based on the indicators here, it should break. Normally when you have a resistance, this is the prior high, normally it'll respect it, maybe reject it, but in this case we're looking for it to break it and go even higher. So once it breaks this, we may get a little bit of pullback, but if it breaks this, that means I expect price to go even higher. I do want to apologize for the audio. When I originally recorded this video, there was so much background noise, so I used a hiss removal setting on my video editor to remove the background noise. So it does sound better, but it still kind of sounds muffled. So I apologize for that. So at the end, so what happened? The price started pulling back, and the double stochastic started sloping down. So what I did is I went ahead and moved my stop to current price so I can get stopped out. So for a total profit of $1,200. So let me show you the chart. I did have to leave. I had an appointment. Also, I had a staff meeting. So here I'm showing you the chart right now. It's 423, and like I predicted, I had my resistance level up here. This was the high, and this was actually the low for today was here. I marked off, and if you remember, I did say that the market may just stay in this zone between the resistance and the support level. So look at it. So it was back and forth like I predicted. So there was no true directions here. So it was great that I had taken my profit early in the morning after the Fed had spoke. So again, you can see that my all of the rest of the afternoon was all in the squeeze. There was no trend at all. So today was a good day. Let me show you the profit. I didn't show you the profit on my chart. Actually, let me show you really quickly. So right here, $1,265 for profit. Well, not profit, I'm sorry, commission, $8.36. So let me also show you the trade performance. So you can see here, right here, you can see today's date, March 6, 2024. You can see the two trades I took here. Let me show you the entry and exit time. So the first trade, remember, I open a position with two contract. First, I open it at 11:01, and my first contract, well, the first profit target got hit at 11:55, and the second contract here, this is where I stopped. I went ahead and moved my stop to current price, so because price was retracing, so I had to come out, and that was at 12:52. So the profit here was 500. That was my first take profit, and the second contract is 755 for a total of $1,256.64. So again, I want to thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.